Welcome, happy coding. In this video, we will learn how to insert video, audio, and images in a website. We'll be coding using HTML. Alright guys, so now we need a picture, we need an icon, and we also need audio and that of video. I don't have them, so what I'll do is to download them. So I'll go to pixels.com. Pixels.com. Good. Don't worry, with the link in the episode description box anymore. I'll drop the link in the description box for you if you need it. So just click on any of the videos to download. Alright, now I want to download an icon. This is going to be used for the Favicon. Don't worry, I'll show you, so don't worry about it. So I'll download this. And I need an audio. So I think the soft piano will be okay, so I'll click on that. Otherwise, don't download it. Don't download. Okay. So the soft piano is downloading. Alright. Okay. So I have my files now downloaded and I have to copy them to my program folder or my project folder. I'll close the browser for now. So I'll move the browser here. This is my project folder. Alright, good. So what I'll do here is I'll copy the files here. I'll copy all the files here, the ones I downloaded here. I'll go to downloads and I'll copy the soft piano, which is the audio. This is the icon. This is um, okay, this is a video and this is an image. So I need these four. I'll copy them and send it to this part. So I'll just paste it here. All right, use this. But okay, now we have everything that we need. We have gotten all the files that we need. So what we need to do now is to do the coding. All right, so let's go coding. All right, shift one, enter. Let's change the document to the title to my website. Okay. And we are going to insert the fib icon. The fib icon is an icon, okay, that is mostly behind the title of the website. No worries, I'll show you. And the fib icon, we don't code the fib icon in the body, but it is done in the head, okay. So I'll comment here. Type fib icon. Okay. So now let's check these sites here. When you look at the site we have here, you can see that there's a green icon over here. That is the fib icon. When you look at our own, you can see that we have a globe, okay, and that is not the fib icon that we want. So we want to customize it. And mind you, I changed the names of the files that we downloaded. Okay, good. So to do that, so we're working on the fib icon. To do this, just type link and click enter. Now the sheet here, just get rid of it. You're not doing anything in CSS. So type icon. And here, the href is referring to a link. All right. But in this case, we're not going to type any URL, but the name of the icon. So in this case, I'm going to type fib icon and it will pop up here. Let's click on that. Let's give it another tag. It's not necessary, another attribute, but it's not necessary though, but it's good to do that. And that is type. So let's type image slash X icon. Okay, let's run this. Now let's refresh the browser. You can see that we have a different thing over here. We have our icon here. So this is what we term as the fib icon. All right, guys. So now let's try to insert image. So to do that, let's give our site a decent head. Okay, so I'll give it an H1. I believe not there already. So on my website. and let me put it in a div. This simply means it's a container, okay, or it's something that divides. Okay, it puts the elements into groups, okay. No worries, I'll later take you through them. Right. When we are dealing with CSS, we will understand proper because we're doing something like IDs and then classes and other stuff, so you understand it properly. Good. Let me get rid of this. Alright, and I'll come here. Fair enough. So let me run this and says my website. Let me bring something here as P. Do this time. So P here, and that's wrong. Alright. So P is the paragraph, and I'm going to give some kind of dummy description. Okay. So here, this one, some on a dummy distance. So I'll come here and I'll copy this. Okay, no, there's this part. All right, and I'll go back to my site. Okay. All right, let's see. Oops. I want it to look nice. All right, I think there was one error here, and I can make it strong. I hope you do remember. You do remember this. Upload this part. And okay. So I simply delete this something. Let me bring the strong here. I know you do remember it, so that part will be bold because I'm using the strong over there. Alright, good. So here should be H3 or maybe H. Let me use H3 here. Okay, and copy the heading. Right. Sit here. So now I have test here. Let's go to my site. Run it. Good. I think it's cool, yo. So we have a decent website now, and then we have to insert image here. So to insert image is very simple. The tag for inserting images img. Okay, so here let me comment here so you will understand. Okay, image img. Right, so let's type img and hit enter key. Good. So here we have the source. Mind you, the img, which is the image, is not having any closing tag. Okay, good. So here we have here as src, which is the source. So it says the image URL. This attribute is mandatory for the image. Okay, blah 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 blah. It's not necessary. So here, what we will do is that the source here is the image that we want to insert. So just type the image name. So here I type image. That's what I made. That's the name of the file. Okay. So Control plus S. Let's go here and put it is inserted. All right. You can see that it is actually inserted and it's really nice. Okay, good. So we can control this with the attributes that it has over there. So we can make it small. This part here says alternative. So just in case the browser is not supported, just in case the network is running very slow, and so therefore the picture is not loading, what would be the alternative word? The patron say ALT now, which is alternative now. Everyone said networking in here, and as a browser and support image now. Good. Say word be beba. I bet you user and say be say animal until be able to map for say be a thumbnail or maybe my image. Okay, good. So my image in the beba, so networking in your system into me loading, and I say if you are browser and support image now. Okay, so that is the function of the alt attribute. The next thing we'll do is width. Width not like size. Okay, and the size. And so obviously now the horizontal part now, of the image now is the width. The vertical now the height. Okay, good. So this time around I'm going to play with it with some values. Okay. I'm going to give it 240. Okay, 45 pixels. So px. Okay, so that's pixels. Don't worry, you'll be done with pixels when we get to CSS. All right. And you can see that it has become very small. Okay. So let me give the width as 100%. So that means I have to cover the entire screen, that part. Okay. So 100%. Let's see what happens. Okay, good. So you can see that has covered the entire screen, and then the width, the height. Let me give the height a decent value. So the height say 100 pixels. Okay, let's see what will happen. That is too small, so let me give it like 400 or 500 pixels. Okay, all right. Not bad, not bad. I can reduce it. Let me reduce it to 300 350 pixels. Let's see what will happen. Okay. So now this is the image that we have been setted. We can choose to reduce it. We can. So you need to play along with it. Okay, good. So now that we have this over here, we have my website. This is down here, and we want to insert the video. Okay, so I don't want this video to be long. So let's continue. Okay, sample here. All right, so let's continue with this, and I'm going to insert say my HR right here, which will be a horizontal line, and let me put this one into a div. Okay. And I'm going to type inside this part here. Okay. So here I'm going to type that is the image. We've done the image, so we'll be working with video now. So comment. God of vengeance. So we're done with video. Okay. So the video tag is just video and nothing else. All right, good. So here you type the source. I believe now you know the source. So let's type video. How did I go to the file? Oh, I don't remember. Okay, I think it's video. Okay, so video.mp4. So that is it. Just refresh it and save it and refresh and see what will happen. Good. So now we have the video here, and the video is very big, very, very big, very big. You can see it's really big. Ah, no, it's very big. So what do we do? Drop your comments. I'm waiting. What do we do? The video is very big. What do we do? Okay. So we go to an attribute. It's supposed to have an attribute, okay? And the attribute that it's going to have is this. You should type width, and the width should be like say 40%. So let's give it 40%. You can play with it. You can play with it, okay? The size. So let's see. Well, good. So we're having 40% of the screen. Okay. So the video is 40% of the screen. That is the width, and I think it's okay. All right. But what the video is not playing? You can see when I click on it, nothing is happening. What do you think we have to type again? We need to type control to get access to the controls. Else nothing will work. So type control and let's see. Let's run it. Oops. It vanished, right? So I think something's happening here. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Control J. Sorry about that, okay? Yeah, I made an error. Okay. So let's run it now. Good. And you can see that now we have here we have the controls over here, and when we click on so the video is now working perfectly. Okay, good. It's working very well. Okay, all right. So let me go here and type my because the width. Let me get rid of. Let me bring it here. So let me type 40%. Just to reduce the size of the video. Okay, 40% will be okay. Okay, so our video is going to be a little bit small because we have reduced the size of it. Good. And so therefore we have the video here. And you can see it's really nice. Okay. For now, it looked like we are not moving it to the place that we wanted to move to. Yes, because that we will do that using CSS. But for now, yeah, need CSS yeah, because we say it is ATM on us. Later on, yeah, CSS. Yeah, that's I see here. Okay, you can see complete full screen. Okay, but I don't think so. It was sound. No, no sound. Okay. All right. So let's continue. Let's continue. It's not having the sound. All right. I can see that the video is playing. Good. All right. So now let's insert audio. All right. Boom, 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 boom. The audio is just the same as that of the video. So we only type audio for the tag. So audio and the source. We type audio. Dot. And let's go. Let's refresh it. Why is it not coming? Why is it not coming? Because we have to add one thing here. There's the controls. Else it won't come. So don't forget it. I forgot it. All right. So don't forget it. And you can see that we have our audio here now. Good. It's playing. Wow. All right, guys. So now we've learned how to insert a web icon, how to insert an image, and how to insert video and audio in HTML. All right, guys. Please do subscribe and learn. Keep on practicing because for coding, if you don't practice, you won't be able to work with it. Okay, so you need to practice, and practice makes perfect. Happy coding. Please subscribe. My name is Mariches. Bye for now.